A break in the winds later today could help firefighters gain ground on the wildfires still burning in Los Angeles. The blazes have destroyed more than 12,000 homes and structures and forced 200,000 Angelenos to flee.
Please be assured that our firefighters continue to work 24/7 to achieve full containment of these wildfires as fast as we can.
CBS News has confirmed that as the Palisades fire started on the morning of January 7th, only 19 fire engines were pre-deployed to the area. It's unclear how many might have been sent to the first neighborhood on fire. Hours passed before officials sent out this notice to bring in off-duty firefighters.
I can guarantee you that every resource that was available was working and focused on the mission.
Here's the overview of the house for now.
Associated Press entertainment journalist Ryan Pearson returned to the rubble of his home in Altadena. The ping pong table and a citrus tree survived.
It was a beautiful home for our family, and we are planning to be living here forever.
Sadly, there will be thousands of stories just like that one. And for residents whose homes were spared, there are now air quality issues over the ash that has been blowing from the fires. We're also getting a look at just how much effort it will take to clean up and rebuild.
There's no power, there's no gas, there's no water to drink.
Crews are digging holes to put power poles back in, a ground-up effort along the decimated Malibu coast. Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Los Angeles.